This video shows the technique of phacoemulsification in a case of grade 2 cataract. I work under topical anesthesia, making scratch for the incision and then using the incision. I don't hold the eye so as not to cause pain to the patient, and I open the anterior capsule with the super blade to initiate the first cut in the anterior capsule, then filling the anterior chamber with viscoelastic and following the rules of capsular axis to make a capsular axis the size around 5 millimeters to 5.5 millimeters. Then in these cases hydrosection is important, and the most important thing is to make sure that the wave of fluid passes behind the nucleus. You don't even need to check the rotation of the nucleus in such cases. And then going with the phaco probe, and then this is the Neuhan chopper, which we use it for vertical splitting. But here you might not be able to fracture completely the nucleus because it's soft, so all what is needed to do is to phacoaspirate and rotate the nucleus and flip it. As you can see in the gauges that essentially I'm using vacuum, high vacuum, and with the aid of good hydrosection the nucleus rotates easily, and as you can see it is aspirated easily. You don't have here to follow exactly the rules of cracking. You just need to flip the nucleus, aspirate it. You don't need to use any power almost, as you can see. And with the chopper you just feed the nucleus parts that are held at the tip. With good hydrosection also, you will have the epinucleus removed together with the nucleus. Then you go out, refill the anterior chamber. I usually prefer to put viscoelastic to form the anterior chamber to avoid the forward movement of the anterior vitreous. And then with bimanual irrigation aspiration, you can easily aspirate the cortex. As you can see, with the sweeping movement at the equator of the capsule, you can easily peel off the cortical materials. Here I'm using high magnification, and usually this for me gives you a very good understanding, a visibility of what's happening inside the eye. You can see the capsule perfectly well, you can see the cortex. If you catch the capsule, you can just stop or do a reflux to avoid its cutting. And this use of high magnification, particularly for beginners, is very useful to understand the dynamics of the phacoemulsification, to understand how the tissues behave, how the capsule behave, how the cortex and the nucleus behave. So it's a very useful teaching thing to work under high magnification. Now there are cells on the posterior capsule. I prefer to wash it away using the cannula and gushes of fluid just to wash it away. This is much simpler than using the irrigation aspiration cannula. Then you fill the bag with viscoelastic, and here I'm using a single-handed injection. This is a hydrophobic acrylic lens, this is thickness lens. So you use the topical anesthesia here to ask the patient to look where you would like him to look, so as to create counter traction while injecting the lens. You can inject the lens directly into the bag or in this case the trailing haptic was not loaded properly, so it is trailing completely after the optic. So to put it in the bag, you can use the irrigation aspiration and just dial in the lens into the capsular bag. It's very straightforward, and if you learn to work with high magnification, you understand exactly what you need to do and how to behave protecting the intraocular tissues. And then you can center the lens where you want it to be to decrease the incidence of postoperative photic phenomena, followed by removal of the viscoelastic from front and behind the lens. Then you go to hydrate the wounds. Paracentesis are most important to hydrate, then the main wound. And after making sure that the anterior chamber is well formed and the wounds are not leaking, you can inject intracapsular antibiotic. I use Vigamox here, injecting into the capsular bag, centering the lens for the last time, and then making sure that the incisions or the paracentesis are tight. Thank you for your watching.